An engagement ring is never just a ring. It carries history, meaning, and the story of a relationship that has grown over time. But that does not mean the piece has to stay the same forever. Many people eventually reach a point where their original ring no longer feels like the best reflection of their style, their lifestyle, or the stage of life they are in now. Maybe the setting feels dated. Maybe the stone feels too small. Maybe the band has worn down from years of daily wear. Or maybe you simply want something that looks more polished and luxurious. That is where a thoughtful engagement ring upgrade comes in. If you have ever searched for jewelry near me, browsed local jewelry stores, or looked for jewelry in Arcadia, you already know how important it is to find a jeweler who understands both beauty and craftsmanship. A ring upgrade is not only about changing the appearance of the piece. It is about preserving what matters while improving what no longer serves you. The right jeweler can help you make the ring feel more current without losing its sentimental value. For those comparing jewelry stores in Arcadia, looking for the nearest jewelry expert, or needing jewelry repair around me, the process can feel much easier when you know what upgrade paths are actually worth considering. Below are 5 professional ways to improve an engagement ring in a way that feels elegant, meaningful, and personal. Upgrade the center stone. One of the most obvious and impactful ways to upgrade an engagement ring is to replace the center stone. This can mean choosing a larger diamond, a stone with better cut quality, or a gem with improved clarity and color. It can also mean switching to a shape that suits your hand better or feels more modern. For some people, the original stone was perfect at the time of the proposal, but years later, they want something that feels a little more substantial. For others, the stone is meaningful, but it no longer has the brilliance or visual presence they want in a ring they wear every day. Upgrading the center stone can completely change the personality of the ring while keeping the emotional foundation intact. People often start by searching jewelry near me so they can compare stones in person. That is a smart move. Diamonds and gemstones can look very different under real lighting than they do online. Visiting trusted jewelry stores lets you compare side by side, ask questions, and see how different stones perform in a setting. If you are looking at jewelry stores in Arcadia, ask whether they can show you several stones in your preferred shape and budget. A professional jeweler can help you understand how carat weight, cut, and proportions work together. Sometimes a stone that is slightly smaller can look more impressive if it has a better cut. That is why it helps to work with an expert, especially if you are trying to find the nearest jewelry source that offers real guidance instead of just a display case. Redesign the setting. If the stone is still exactly what you want, but the ring itself feels out of step with your style, redesigning the setting may be the best route. A setting redesign can make a ring look cleaner, stronger, more modern, or more distinctive without changing the sentimental center. This kind of upgrade might involve changing a high-profile setting to a lower one, adding a halo, refining the prongs, switching from a plain solitaire to a pavé design, or creating a more secure bezel setting. Even small changes can have a dramatic effect on the finished look. For someone exploring jewelry in Arcadia or shopping through jewelry stores, this option is especially appealing because it gives the ring a fresh identity without requiring a total replacement. It is also a good choice if your current setting feels fragile or impractical for everyday wear. A jeweler offering Arcadia jewelry repair can often assess whether your current setting can be modified, reinforced, or fully rebuilt. If the ring has seen years of wear, a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop can tell you whether the metal is still strong enough to support a redesign. This kind of technical guidance matters, especially when the piece has both sentimental and material value. Add side stones or accent diamonds. If you want the ring to look larger, brighter, or more luxurious without replacing the center stone, side stones can be an excellent upgrade. Accent diamonds, a hidden halo, pavé detailing, or tapered side stones can all add visual weight and sparkle without changing the heart of the ring. This approach is ideal for someone who already loves their original diamond, but wants the ring to feel more elevated. It is also a good option if you are looking for a more dramatic look without moving into a completely new design. Adding accents is often the perfect middle ground between subtle and bold. Many people compare jewelry near me options or stop by jewelry stores in Arcadia to see how different accent styles affect the overall appearance of the ring. The details matter here. Some accent stones make a ring look more elegant, while others can overpower the center stone. A professional can help you choose a design that looks balanced from every angle. If you're already thinking about maintenance, this is also a good time to ask about jewelry repair around me. Accent stones require secure prongs and clean settings. A skilled jeweler can make sure the new additions are not just pretty, but practical. If the ring needs stone tightening, band reinforcement, or polishing at the same time, an Arcadia jewelry repair shop can handle the full job so the finished piece looks complete. Change the metal or refresh the band. Sometimes the most meaningful upgrade is not the stone at all. It is the metal, the band, or the overall structure of the ring. A worn band can make a beautiful diamond look tired. A color of metal that once felt right may no longer match your style. Or maybe the original band is too thin and needs to be strengthened for long-term wear. Changing the band or metal tone can make a ring feel brand new. A yellow gold ring might look better in white gold or platinum. A thin band might be rebuilt into something sturdier and more proportionate. A scratched or damaged shank can often be restored or replaced entirely. This is where many clients begin searching jewelry stores with repair and custom capabilities, rather than choosing a store that only sells new pieces. If you are looking for jewelry repair around me, you want a jeweler who can do more than polish a ring. You want someone who understands how to rebuild and preserve it properly. For people shopping for jewelry in Arcadia, a band refresh can be an excellent solution if the original ring no longer feels as wearable as it once did. Whether you are comparing jewelry stores in Arcadia or searching for the nearest jewelry specialist, make sure the jeweler can explain how the new band will affect the look, durability, and comfort of the ring. Turn the ring into a fully custom design. If you want a complete transformation, a custom redesign may be the most exciting option. This is often the right choice when the original ring no longer suits your taste at all, or when you want to create something one of a kind while still keeping the original stone or sentimental elements. A custom redesign can be as subtle or as dramatic as you want. You might want a more modern silhouette, a vintage-inspired profile, a thicker band, a split shank, a different prong style, or a completely different arrangement of stones. The key advantage is that the ring becomes a reflection of your current style instead of your style from years ago. People often search for jeweler near me when they are ready for this kind of work, because custom projects require real collaboration. You want a jeweler who can listen carefully, sketch ideas, explain materials, and help you make decisions that feel right. This is also where the best jewelry stores stand apart from the rest. They do not just sell, they design, guide, and build. If the original ring needs adjustments first, Arcadia Jewelry Repair Services can help prepare the piece for its new life. A dependable Arcadia Jewelry Repair shop can resize, reinforce, reset, or restore the ring before it is transformed into something new. That way, nothing important is lost in the process. How to know which upgrade is right for you. There is no single right answer when it comes to upgrading an engagement ring. The best choice depends on what you want to change and what you want to preserve. Here is a simple way to think about it. If you want more sparkle, add accent stones. If you want more size, upgrade the center stone. If you want a more current design, change the setting. If the ring is worn out, refresh the band or metal. If you want a complete transformation, choose a custom redesign. The most important part is working with a jeweler who understands both the emotional and practical sides of the project. That is why people search for jewelry near me, visit trusted jewelry stores, and ask for recommendations for jewelry in Arcadia and jewelry stores in Arcadia. A ring upgrade should feel exciting, not stressful. The right professional can help you make decisions that honor the original piece while making it more beautiful for the future. If you need repairs, resizing, restoration, or a complete design refresh, look for reliable jewelry repair around me services and a trusted Arcadia jewelry repair shop that can guide you with care. Final thoughts. Upgrading an engagement ring is one of the most meaningful ways to celebrate how far your love story has come. Whether you choose a larger center stone, a new setting, side stones, a refreshed band, or a full custom redesign, the goal is the same. You want the ring to feel more like you. If you are searching for jewelry near me, comparing jewelry stores, exploring jewelry in Arcadia, or looking for the nearest jewelry expert who can handle a special project, Dorano Jewelry is a strong choice. Our team offers custom design, expert craftsmanship, and dependable support for everything from upgrades to Arcadia jewelry repair and delicate restoration work. If you want a jeweler who can help turn your existing ring into something fresh, refined, and truly personal, Dorano Jewelry is ready to help you bring that vision to life.